Asian laptop, and that's up to 40,000 Egypt and available until August 18, 2024. Yes, on the getting the win.
Oh, it's more than one, right? 10,000 pesos off specific laptops and also 14,000 Egypt. Okay, pag-kwento naman natin ng Acer Day. Excited ka naman sa Acer Day natin?
Yes, I'm very excited. Acer Day concert. Acer Day concert kasi sa